Hey guys, so I just got the newest update, and one of the features of the newest update is car wash mode, so I'm going to show you how to use it coming up. Hey guys, so I know this is a feature that I think has been asked for a while, so we finally got it, which is car wash mode, since these cars kind of have a lot of automatic sensors and things, and if you take it through one of those car washes where the brushes, brush all these things, you can set off sensors and open things up, so there were kind of a lot of complaints about that just putting it in neutral kind of just didn't really do it, and so Tesla created a car wash mode to try and help alleviate all these weird things that would happen, all these sensors that would get, set off by the actual brushes in a car wash. So, for me, honestly, I hand wash my car every time with a pressure washer and foam cannon. But if you don't have those resources or you're just too lazy, I would recommend actually using a touchless car wash, as opposed to the ones with the brushes that spin, because those are going to just swirl the crap out of your paint. But if you don't care about that, then go for it and use car wash mode. So the way you get into it is go down to the car button here and then go to service. And now there's a new button for car wash mode. So, let's say that you are so basically to start car wash mode, you have to be in park. You can't just drive up to the car wash and put it in neutral. It doesn't work that way. So it's got to be in park and then you put it in drive. So I'll go through the whole thing with you. So you hit car wash mode. It'll tell you, hey, it'll close all the windows, lock all the charge port, and disable windshield wipers. So the two big things that using before car wash mode came about was the windshield wipers, because the automatic windshield wipers down here, they would get set off once the brushes started going and the windshield's all wet, because that's what it does with the sensor up here. Is, hey, the window's wet. We need to, wipe the window. So that's not what you want in a car wash. And also the folding mirrors as well. But anyway, so disables the windshield wipers, sentry mode, walk away door locks, and parking sensor chimes. And then for car washes that have a conveyor belt, there's also a free roll option, and it shifts to neutral. And that way it just, the car will glide through the car wash and not get stuck in park and then have your, back wheels drag, which would not be good. So, another note, too, is that you have to stay under 10 miles an hour. So I guess the situation would be basically you're driving up to the car wash. Let's say there's the machine that you pay for, you put in your code. That's when you'd want to put it in park and then put it into car wash mode at that point. And then you can drive up to the car wash, get your car wash, and then you're good to go after that. So if we were to enter car wash mode, so let's say we're at that point with the machine. So, okay, put in park, the car's in park, go pay your stuff, and then hit car wash mode. So immediately if you heard that, you can't see it, but the window's rolled up. So that's one. So here's all the things that it tells you to do. So you want to stay under 10 miles an hour, charge port is locked, walk away door lock is off, automatic windshield wipers are off, parking assist chime is off, sentry mode off, climate off, front and trunk are also locked as well. So no sensors will be going off. So you can't see it, but my mirrors are still out, so there is an option to fold the mirrors. If you want to do that, you don't necessarily have to do that on a car wash, but it's, in my opinion, kind of better to do that. So make sure that is, the mirrors are folded in, and then go ahead and press the brake, and then put it in drive. And so now it's in car wash mode, and so I can drive under 10 miles an hour to get into the car wash or get on the conveyor belt. And so basically, at this point, you can just drive into the car wash if it's a regular one, sit there, put it in neutral, or just leave it on hold here, let the car wash go. So I think one of the other big things is the free roll, or if it's on a conveyor belt. So to do that, it says press brake, shift to D. So basically, right now my foot is not on the brake, and you can notice that it went away. So if you push that, push the brake down, and then hit enable free roll mode, then it puts it in neutral. And then, basically, the car will be on the conveyor belt, and it'll go, and your wheels won't be dragged. So I'm going to turn that off for a second. Whoop. There we go. So now I'm back in drive. So basically, let's say, you get your car wash, you're all done, and all you need to do is drive away. So you don't have to actually hit exit car wash mode. If you go over 10 miles an hour, it'll automatically get rid of it for you. So let me try and do that real quick without messing anything up here with my camera. So if we go real quick here, there you go, over 10 miles an hour, and now I'm back, back in regular driving mode, and then you can just drive away. So at that point, once you're done with your car wash, you can just drive away. It exits the car wash mode, and then you're done. So that's how you operate car wash mode. It's pretty simple to use. I think the big thing is the free roll for those conveyor belts, because those are causing big issues. So now you have that button down there that you can actually push. Let me get back into it. Oh, I guess I can't do it right now because I'm not in park. So yeah, you've got that free roll mode to, get on the conveyor belt and not have your car get damaged. And, it's just a lot easier to use. Anyway, so one last thing is that, like I mentioned before, you have to put it in park first before you can enter car wash mode. So basically, since I'm in drive right now, I can't just put it in neutral and have car wash mode pop up. It's not going to work that way. So that's just a heads up. If you're going to the car wash, that you do need to put it in drive. Don't just think you can put in neutral and have car wash mode pop up. So that's basically it. That's how you work car wash mode. So hope that was helpful. If it was, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.